Hey, it's me, Keep It Crafty. I had this empty corner in my house and I got tired of looking at it, so I decided to make myself a floor to ceiling fireplace using items from the Dollar Tree, and it actually looks so good. I ended up spending about $55 for the entire project, so if you want to see how I made it, keep watching. I'm starting off with 5 pieces of foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. I measured from the floor to the ceiling and then used that measurement to determine the size of my fireplace. I'm using some clear packing tape on the front and back to connect the foam boards. After I put the tape on the front and the back, I'm going to measure 3 inches in on both sides. And then I'll just use my X-Acto blade to make a light cut going all the way down the fireplace on both sides. Now to make it a little more sturdy, I'm going to be using this wood from the Dollar Tree. I ended up only using 3 and I'm just hot gluing them down the middle. I'm making sure not to put it too low at the bottom because I have to put the arch in for the fireplace. For the design of the fireplace, I'm using this peel and stick paper that I got from the Dollar Tree. This wallpaper design is similar to the design that I have on my TV stand, so I was really excited when I saw these at the Dollar Tree. I didn't want the design to look too uniform, so I just turned some of the sheets upside down. Now I'm just creating the arch at the bottom. I used a ruler for the straight sides and then just freehand in the middle. And then I just used my X-Acto blade to cut it out. And now that that's cut out, I can move on to the base of the fireplace. I wanted the interior of the fireplace to be black, so I'm using this black foam board. I'm marking at 20 inches on each side, and then I'm going to connect those dots. And then I'm going to make a mark at 19 inches on the side and at the bottom of the foam board. Now I'm placing my ruler at the 19-inch mark, and then I'm just sliding it over until the 3 is over the line, and then I'm just making a diagonal line. I repeated that process on the other side, and now I'm just cutting it all out. And once everything is cut out, this is what it looks like. I need 2 of these, so I'm just going to trace this piece. Now I'm just gluing on the sides of the fireplace. So this will be the top of the base of the fireplace. I decided to add some lights. They're not really necessary, but I decided to keep them. Now I'm just gluing the top to the base, and now I can start trying to attach these 2 pieces together. I don't know why I didn't start with gluing the front together first, but I feel like I made this process a little bit more difficult than it needed to be. So if you are going to try this, please glue the front first and then work on the sides. After everything was glued together, I was finally able to move it into place. Then I can start adding in the cute little details like the candles. I got these candles from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm adding in my plant, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can always keep it crafty with me. Thanks for watching.